Hello guys, and welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time you are coming here, I say very big welcome. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and also click on the notification button to enable you see new of our videos. And then again, our website is up. It's really up. All you need to do just search for www.austinglobalskincare.com. All right, Austin Global. Okay. All you need to do just search for shit action. All you need to do just search for Austin Global. No. All you need to do just search for www.austinglobalcosmeticskincare.com. That's all. All right. You will see all our products and also product that you need to do your skincare production or ingredient, as you may call it. All right, powders, other recipes them you needed, you will see them there. Just give us a call or shout us up via the WhatsApp number on your screen. All right. All right, guys, let's get into it. You know how I do my thing, okay? The reason why your products or your soap are not be working is because of the type of what is it called, the recipe you use. So watch this. I'll be using right now. Now we'll be using these are the normal regular soap, normal regular soap, all right, like this. This one is ozone soap. We'll be using one of these. Okay, then we'll be using one of the Dove soap. It's very good. All you just need to do, anyone I throw in here, know that you shred it. Okay, so you shred that one also. Then Larissa soap, this one you shred this one also. Then this one, this is a bleaching kojic acid plus whitening. It doesn't matter. Don't say because you use it so it will be bleaching. No, you can use it on your regular basis as well. You can use it. All right. So it's good. Fine. Then we'll be using K Brother. So all this, what you do, you shred them to pieces. Some people can shred it and use it to do shower gel, but you shred them to pieces. Then you soak them for days. But for another way around, before you soak them, you can add some additives already. But like me, this is how I shred them. After shredding, put them in a bowl like this. Then you all know this. This is your mineral water. Some people said it's pap water. I don't know, but it's mineral water, which is very good, very good. You all know what mineral water is and what it stands for. But in case you don't know, you can ask me on in private class. Fine. Then again, sometimes if you don't know this, there are some oils you haven't heard about. There are some oil you haven't heard about. Put your Milo oil. All right, this is your Milo oil. Okay, this Milo oil. The reason why I want to talk about it a bit is because some people don't know it. Milo oil is a strong whitening oil. In fact, you should be afraid of it if you don't know how to use it. All right, so that you will not burn people's body. This is a very whitening hot oil, Milo oil. All right, okay, you put this one. All right, okay, then we have our cedar oil. You put our cedar oil. Okay, then again we have different type of oil, like I tell you. Then we put our vineyard oil. This is our vineyard oil also. Okay, cedar oil and vineyard oil are very hot oil, please. All right, you put this one. So now we've put about 2 oil. So now you cannot just put just a bit of almond oil. Just put. So then again we have our magic white oil. Look at it. You can just put this one. Just put like 5 ml of it. All right. Then you can still put your beauty series, so that this thing will not be too much oil. You can just put 5 5 ml. Okay. Now after that, we have our foaming agent. Okay, which is not here. You can put our foaming agent. Just put like 500 ml to add to it, foaming agent. All right. Now this soap, you all know this. Some people call it pepper dem, some people call it a sharp pepper, different soap. All right, just cut a little, that just cut the one that will be exactly the same size as this. and this should be about just how many gram? 3 gram, if I'm not mistaken. It should be about 3 gram. Just cut about 3 gram of this soap and put and blend all of them. All right. After you must have shared this one also. After you must have shred it, then blend all of them. All right. Now here comes to the powders, the real powders that really do the work. You can see all my powders being lined up here. Okay, look at my powders, they are all lined up here. Now first of all, this is our male white powder. Male white powder, if you don't know how to use it, don't use it. All right, and it's water dissolve. You can use water to dissolve it, or you can use probably glycol to dissolve it. You add 50 gram of male white powder. This is a strong whitening powder. All these are Thailand powder, all of them you see here. Don't be deceived. They will tell you put Snow White, put glutathione, grade 1. Put, those are stories that touch. All right, let's go into it. Okay, this is male white powder, which we just said. You put in, and then you put your white powder. This is your white powder. Very strong powder. Please be careful with it also. Okay, you put your white powder, 50 gram also. Then you put your Z2 powder. This is your Z2 powder. It's a strong whitening powder. If you don't know how to use it, don't use it, please. Z2 powder. Then you take your hydrate white powder. This is your hydrate white powder. Two things, it hydrates and it's a whitening also. So these are the 4 powders you put. After that, you mix, and if it's you want to use your glove to mix, or you want to use the blender, big blender to mix, you mix everything together. Then you soak them for 2 weeks, so that everything must have been fused in together. They fuse together 2 weeks. Then you must have been selling other of your products. Then after all that, then you put them in your whatever you used to sell. You can put them. I think with that we've done with that. All right. If you want to check the pH level of this we've just done, you can check it also. All right, to make sure it's average. Okay. So you not go burn people's skin. All right. Then again, if you want to put fragrance, because it has its own fragrance already, so you want to put your own fragrance, fine. There's no need of putting preservative because it's not going to sour. So with this, I think we have done a very, like, this one is even stronger than any kind of sharp pepper soap, mulatto soap. No, this one is stronger. All right, so you can give it any name of your own choice. All right, so this is how you can achieve this. With all this powder I called to you, if you can't get there, just shout me up or go to my website. You will see them there and place your order. Very, very easy to get. All right, so here we come. Let's begin to make our product cashy. All right, so don't forget, go to our website. Go to our website, place your order. Any kind of ingredient you need, we have it there. And don't forget, we ship everywhere. So bye bye.